YouTubers, this is Ivan here. I'm going to be going over on how to make a YouTube clone. It's going to be kind of cool. So it's going to be looking like this website. I'm going to be basing it off the website imadevideo.com. If you look, you can upload a video, log in, sign up. And that's what it has. Of course it has the page where you can watch, and there's the other videos, like and dislike. There's even the subscriber. Let's pause that. All you have to do is click it to pause it like YouTube. You go home. This is just going to be the video where I introduce what you have to do and what you have to download. So what I'm using for programming software would be Notepad++. I recommend using, for your hosting, I will be using Hostinger. So here's a shout out to Hostinger. Remember guys, comment, like, and subscribe. I will return your comments. So you go to Notepad++, type it in on Microsoft Bing, Google, I even have I don't want to put this in advertising, but I even have a website. In the next tutorial after this one, I can probably go on and how to make my website other Amazonian to where it's just like Google. I literally made this website, guys. Pretty good website. Has a bunch of stuff on it. Shopping, hotels, music. But that's in the next tutorial after this. So you go to Hostinger. You log in. Go from there. Make your domain. I recommend FTP client. FlashFXP. So you download FlashFXP, download it. All these links will be in the description of the YouTube video. Anyways, you download Notepad++, FlashFXP, make a website Hostinger, or you can 000 web host. It's free web hosting, absolutely free web hosting. Start your website with that, and you can work off of that. And that's what we'll be doing. So, or you can use wamp server or xampp server, either one of the two, 3 or 4, including Hostinger. So anyways, we have that. Next video we'll be going over on how to design the website. So it has a nav bar, a search bar, and I think that's about it. The rest would take PHP code. You snip it inside the PHP. PHP definition is hypertext preprocessor. Hypertext preprocessor, so it works along HTML to pre-process things and to create dynamic web pages. What's it used for? It's for connecting to the database of PHP. My admin is used for PHP. PHP is intended for MySQL, and PHP is that easy to do. So in the next video, remember to subscribe to my channel. My name on here is BP Gaming, Dr. Ivan, whatever you want to call me. I will be going off on a rant no longer, and have a nice day. Love you guys.